What's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. Before we get into this video about the 190E here, I wanted to take a minute and thank all of you guys for liking and commenting on the videos. I see you guys. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. I've noticed a little extra support lately and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So about a month ago, I decided to take a leave of absence from my full-time job. I wanted to devote some more time into this YouTube channel to try to make it grow a little bit better and to put out better content for you guys. All of the support you guys have given me in forms of commenting and liking the videos and whatnot has been really encouraging, so thank you, keep it up, love you guys. Now, one thing I have noticed, I was looking at my analytics, and 91% of you guys that watch these videos are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button because guess what? It's free, it doesn't cost any money. If you're not ready to hit that subscribe button, let me know why in the comments. If you're not sure you want to hit that subscribe button, at least hit that like button for me. A little bit goes a long way right now and it helps out small channels like mine. So let's get into the video. So this right here, the focus of the video is the 1991 Mercedes Benz 190E. You might not think this is the most exciting car on YouTube right now, but I plan on changing that. The 190 overall is in pretty good shape, but it is a 30-year-old car, so there is a little wear and tear items that need to be addressed first. It does run and drive, might have like a little small oil leak. The power steering pump might whine very loud. But it does run and drive. So one of the small issues with the car, I did change the steering wheel on it. Go check that video out actually, it's pretty good video. When I was changing the steering wheel, I either shorted something out or grounded something out where the turn signals don't work properly anymore, so I'm gonna have to address that at some point. Also, I didn't hook the horn up when I did it, so that might be related to it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Another thing we did replace on this car was the suspension, so we actually changed out the struts and the springs, lowered it down. I forget how much. It's sitting pretty nice right now, but with these wheels and tires we rub right now, this is going to get cut off when we start talking about the next part, which is the body kit. But when we replaced all this, I did notice there was a lot of bushings and whatnot that need to be replaced under the car. And like I said earlier, it is 30 years old, and I doubt these were ever replaced in their entire lifetime. So, gonna get to that at some point to make this car like really stiffen up. And now for the main thing that needs to get done to this car is mounting this damn body kit. So now let's talk about the kit. It's the Duraflex kit. It's the EVO 2 kit. Right here is a picture of what it's supposed to look like. The fitment on this kit sucks. Let me actually get the one of the rear flares and we can look at it. This is the driver's side rear flare, and that's what it's kind of looking like. So it doesn't really fit anywhere where it's supposed to fit. As you see, this gap behind it. Doesn't really sit there. Let me get some tape on. Alright, so I taped it on just to hold it up there. As you see, like here, this is nowhere near the side skirt. You're touching up here and it doesn't really line up over the door, and then back here it's not even close to touching the body. So for those, we're gonna have to, well, you have to do it either way. You gotta cut the fenders. So this is what we're gonna get into. This is gonna be the new big project on this car, is fitting this body kit because it's been long enough. So we've had this kit maybe about a year, and all we have fitted so far is the front and back bumper, which needs to get refitted, the side skirts, and the wing. And the main problem is those fenders. So wing's looking pretty good, but it is a little messed up in spots. But what can you expect? It was pretty budget compared to some of the other kits. On any body kit, you could pretty much expect that you're going to have to do some body work to it to get it to work right. I got pretty lucky with the kit on my 240SX. But it was also like double the price. The bumper's gonna have to be refitted again. That's no big deal because we're gonna get this thing looking perfect. And I have more than enough time because, like I said earlier, I don't have a job anymore. Now let's discuss the last part of this build. Is probably gonna be the biggest project if cutting your fenders and doing fiberglass work didn't sound like a big project already. Biggest part of this project is we're gonna be doing an engine swap on this car. I'm going to be putting out a video soon about engine swap ideas for this car. So we got a couple on the list. I've been making a little spreadsheet to try to like figure out pros and cons of everything, and then we're going to dive into this. So first things first is we got to get the body kit fitted though. But engine swap, it's going to be awesome. Best car on YouTube. If you have any guesses on what one of the engines might be, leave it down below in the comments. The one I'm leaning towards right now, I don't think it's ever been done before in this car. It's been done in other cars, obviously, but not a lot of 190E content like this out. So if you're excited for this build, hit that thumbs up button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to follow along with the whole build. I'm going to be putting out a 190 video once a week, so make sure you don't miss any of those. So hit that subscribe button. I upload every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 3 p.m. and be sure not to miss any videos. Peace out.